Hi, we are back at Chislehurst today. We're visiting our installer Carl. He's finished his bar project and we are dying to see it. Let's go and have a look. Hi Carl, nice to see you again.
You too.
Everything looks amazing here. How did it go?
Yeah, it went really well actually. As you see, it's all nice straight lines and 45-degree corners, so it was really easy.
So Carl, how long did this take you?
From start to finish, about 3 to 3.5 hours, just because it was real nice straight lines and easy corners to work with.
And if someone wasn't as experienced as you?
I'd probably allow 6, maybe 7 hours. Yeah, obviously if you've not done the mitre cuts before, that takes a little bit of time to get used to.
You can see here Carl's used our C393 curving. This is one of our modern step cornices, so it works really well in this room. It's got your steps going onto the ceiling, so it makes the room look even wider. Also, something else Carl's done is he's put our C380 indirect lighting curving underneath. What was the reason for doing that?
To give a bit of light up into the ceiling. I actually stuck it onto the product, so it isn't actually on the wall. It's actually on the bigger coving itself. So it looks like it's all moulded into one. But yeah, just to give it a more of a uplift of light onto the ceiling, really.
Really enhances it, and the profile above as well.
Yeah.
Everything looks so beautiful. Thank you for letting us come and see this, and thanks to your client as well for letting us, inviting us here.
No problem.